How to cancel your Chegg subscription on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can cancel your Chegg subscription on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to cancel your Chegg subscription on your iPhone, now it's very simple to do this, but for this process you have to log in from your browser, which is chegg.com from Safari browser. So we're not using the app, but we're using our browser. After you do that, you can tap the three lines option from the top left and then go to this option called help. Under the help section, right over here at the second last, you can see how do I cancel my Chegg study subscription. So when you tap on it, you should be able to see use a desktop or a laptop computer and follow the steps. Go to my account and then click orders. Then under subscription, select the subscription you want to cancel and click on cancel subscription and then just hit the continue option. So it's very simple. You can just click on this my account link that you can find here and make sure to log into your account to cancel the subscription. And after that, you can simply go to the accounts tab, and after you go to the orders tab here, you should be able to cancel your subscription. This way you'll be able to cancel your Chegg subscription on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.